my channel. Guess where I am today? I'm in Yinchuan, China. It's a new destination for me. It's my first time here. It's amazing because I'm gonna have 96 hours layover. It's 4 days. It's already like 3 p.m. now, so I'm gonna have half of this day, 3 more days, and then another half day, and then we're gonna do like a shuttle to Zhengzhou. It's like only 1 hour flight time, and then coming back, and then we're gonna stay for another 1 more day. So it's like 1 week in China. I'm so excited because we're gonna go for a tour like the day after tomorrow to like a, I don't know, mountain area or somewhere. But it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing layover. And then I'm gonna show you the hotel room. This is like a 5-star hotel, I think. I'm gonna switch on all the lights first. Alright, I have my bed here. And then they even give us a plate of dessert. So nice. Toilet. Just the light. Bathtub. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna show you the view from the window. Can you see it? Yeah. So that's the People's Square, and then behind me here, I think that's a museum or something. So I might go there in one of those days because I'm gonna have 5 days, like 4 days, and then plus 1 more day after. So yeah. Oh, and you know what? Here, there's like someone selling the kites. So if I have time in the evening, I will go there. You can see in the sky, there, that's the kite. Someone is playing the kite. So cool, it's like my childhood. Okay, so now I'm gonna rest, and then I'm gonna go to the mall to maybe grab something to eat, and then yeah, see you later. Hi, good morning from Yinchuan. So yesterday after I landed, I slept until now. I mean, I woke up at I woke up at 2 in the morning, and then I watched some TV series, Riverdale, and then now it's 6:45 in the morning. So I'm gonna go for a jog outside because the weather looks nice. I mean, I checked the weather, it's 7 degrees, but yeah, and it's weekend, so let's go. Hey guys, it's Sakura in Yinchuan. So many cherry blossom trees, even on the other side. And I'm gonna continue my morning jog. Let's go. Hey guys, I just got back from the breakfast. It was really nice because they serve halal food, so it's very rare like to find halal food in the breakfast buffet, like the places that I've been, and this one is really good. Go to my Instagram, you will see like what I ate in China. I had like 5 plates. First I had nasi goreng, fried rice, and then with fried noodles with sausages and turkey bacon, turkey strips. After that I had eggs. They have so many like selection of eggs. They have scrambled eggs, they have boiled eggs, poached eggs, and and then you know the black color eggs, like the Asian eggs. I don't know what is it called, like century eggs, something like that. The egg with the soy sauce is really good. And then I had what else? Like beef noodle soup, and then the noodle thing, I think. I forgot. I don't know. You should check out my Instagram, fazrul_ikram. You can see what I ate around the world. And then the last thing I had like a dessert. I don't know why they have dessert in the morning, but it's really good. It's like sago with a coconut milk, and then I put some fruits inside, and I had the cereal as well. And I have soy milk and watermelon juice. Oh my god, it's my favorite, watermelon juice. And now I want to show you, because the area in front of my hotel, so I'm like so grateful because I got this view. It's like this area is called People's Square. Later I will swap the camera, and people are exercising right now because it's weekend. It's Saturday today. Oh, it's getting brighter. Oh no! Oh no! What's wrong? Okay. There are a lot of people exercising right now. Maybe doing like Zumba or yoga. Not yoga. I think it's like Zumba. Okay, this is the main road. That's the people exercise. Doing some Zumba. Oh, not anymore. Maybe they just finished. And here is the museum, Yinchuan Museum, and the art gallery as well. So I'm thinking of going there later. And there's a science and technology museum as well. I think this is the one. So I'm thinking of renting the bike from the hotel downstairs. It's only like 50 yuan for 4 hours. They have a discount, of course, for crew. I think 4 hours is enough for today, because I'm gonna go to because this area is like it's called the new city. I'm going to the old city because this area is like government area. So I'm gonna go to the old city. I'm gonna see like malls, and then I'm gonna see the drum and bell tower. It's like at the roundabout. So I'm gonna go there. I will show you. Don't worry. And yeah, basically just wandering around Yinchuan and getting lost. But it's okay, I have the offline map, so I won't get lost. Hi guys! So now I'm riding the bike. I rent this bike from the hotel. It cost me like 50 yuan for 4 hours. It's really reasonable price. And now I just stopped by to check my map, like where am I. I'm like near this one river, but there's no water. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue riding my bike and go to, I don't know what's the place called, but I will show you. Let's go. Hi guys, I've arrived at this place. It's a mosque. So basically, this area, Yinchuan, most of them are Muslim from like Hui culture. So you can see a lot of mosques around this place, and this is one of them. So I'm gonna go inside and bring you guys along. And behind this mosque, just now I saw like a park. So I'm gonna go there as well. Let's go. Okay, just now I just bought these biscuits. And it's like 5 yuan for all this. 5 yuan is like 2 dirham, something like that. And now I'm heading to this park. I'm gonna have a walk in the park, eating my biscuits. And then let's see what we can see here. It looks quite cool. Let's go. And all of a sudden, I'm at this market area. There's so many fruits. I'm gonna try to find something to eat because there's like a night market here. Okay, so now I'm going back to my bicycle, and then I bought a few stuff. This rice thing in the black wrap, and then I bought the mulberry as well. And then just now I had the hot pot. Oh my god, it was so spicy. I hope my stomach can handle it later. So now, let's go on to the next adventure. Hi guys, I've arrived at the Bell and Drum Tower. It's just behind me, that one. And as you can hear, there's a lot of like popping sound. They are playing, I don't know what is it called in English, but in Malay it's called gasing. So yeah, it's like it's a very traditional game in Malaysia, and it's the same thing in China. I'm gonna go there and take some pictures first. Okay, so basically I was wrong. Just like maybe like 200 meters in front of that building just now. Now this is the Drum and Bell Tower. Just now it was the pavilion something. So yeah, this is the correct building. And there's a park behind me. And then this is like a shopping street. So I'm just gonna walk around here and explore. Let's go. I don't know why there is no water here. It looks like they should have water. Bike and like bicycle and motorcycle. And they have like electric motorcycle. And it's so cool. Hi guys, so basically here I'm like the only non-Chinese. There's no tourists here. Or maybe like tourists from another continent, I mean another part of China. But other than that, I'm the only like tan skin guy here. And the rest are Chinese. I'm going back to the hotel now because I'm really tired. It's almost 3 hours of cycling. This is like the longest exercise that I've ever done in my entire life. So, and my butt hurts so much because the seat of this bicycle is not very soft. guys, so just before I reached the hotel, so I made a stop here because I saw a lot of cherry blossom, pink flowers, so nice. I'm gonna take picture and then I'm gonna continue my journey back to the hotel. Going out to the mall for dinner. Maggie. Having dinner. This is like chicken ball and then this is like chicken something. The Chinese tea, Coca-Cola. So this is how Coca-Cola is written in Chinese. Coca-Cola. Bon appetit. Okay guys, I'm going back to the hotel. I bought bubble tea and then I'm gonna sleep early tonight because last night, I woke up at 2 in the morning yesterday. This morning, because I slept so early last night. So, and then tomorrow I'm going for a tour to the Sand Lake. And then with other crew, and then we're gonna go for Mongolian lunch. I'm so excited! I can't wait. So I'm gonna finish this video. I'm gonna end this video right now, and I'm gonna make another video of my tour tomorrow. So they'll be in another video because I think this video is already so long. So see you. Bye bye.